Hi guys, welcome to Instagram. In this video, we are discussing MANONMANIAM University assignments, internal assignments from May 2025 first semester. And in this one, you can see there are only two questions in this subject code SAMAM 11, and 2A and B we are discussing here. Let me be an n-dimensional vector space over a field F, and given that any element T belongs to A, there exists a non-trivial polynomial q of degree of most n square such that q equal to 0. So, and another one is prove that there exists a subspace W of V invariant under T such that V is equal to V 1 W. So, in this one, there are only two questions, and we have solved all the questions of other code also. So, if you want these question answers, so you can contact us anytime. So, we will provide all the answers accordingly. And if you want other help, so we are here for help you for providing the guidance. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.